We are here at Campo 5, Purok Tagtalisay, Barangay Saragosa, Manay, Davao Oriental, Mindanao. And this is the proposed site of sea park along the Tagtalisay beaches. Here we will construct nice huts, pathways, tables for guests and parking area for local tourists and foreign tourists to come over and enjoy the vastness of the Pacific Ocean, the open sea Pacific Ocean with the rock formation, rock lava formation all the way from Barangay Saragosa to Barangay Central, Manay, Davao Oriental. Guests can dive there with a deep sea, can go fishing, can go boating, sa kayaking, can go whatever they like to roam around the lava formation of the rocky ridges of Tagtalisay beaches in Manay, Davao Oriental. So, friends, ladies, soon to open. Today we are happy and we are proud that we have visitors from America. We have visitors from Manao, my former girlfriend and now my wife, Dr. Chona Perandos Dayangirang, and American farmers and doctors and nurses, Elmo G. Dayangirang, and lovely wife, Miss Alice Kuska Dayangirang, and their children, the eldest one, who has a girlfriend also, not here. There's El Dayangirang and Elma Dayangirang right there with the red hat. And the youngest, but not the least, and the tallest among them is Emily Kuska Dayangirang with a blue hat. Okay? And guest from Kabugan Mountains, Felix Gunhoran. Oh, Felix Gunhoran is a valued guest from Kabugan Mountains of Barangay Holy Cross.
Oo, naka-landscape dyan, ha? Dyan. May Bermuda din dyan.
Naka-landscape ba?
Himo niya din balik-balik. Kinago yung lawa-lawa din.
Respetuhan lang. Sorry.
Di, malipay ni sila. Ayun.
Dito magsugod ang development.
Asa man kang nunod dapit?
Katong bagnot dito? Katong nga linya? Kanang mga kahoy na dagko ato pa na.
Pwede na yung mo free house.
Oo, kada oh.
Lagi.
Tulog ka sa nga.
Oo.
Upat ka sa nga. Gwapo na.
Una akong imong halaga.
Ipalusot lang ang kahoy na.
Oo.
Gusto ko
Bigan lang na siya kahoy. Baro. Ay, formal lang doon.
Marami na.
Wala dyan guys, stairs.
Na, yun.
Lakaw-lakaw sila nan.
Every now and then may stairs.
Oh,
Every distance. Oo.
Basta
Oo.
gusto dyan mo lakawan na, oh. Viewing
Tara mga tubig.
Viewing deck ba?
Oh.
Ay, asa na?
Oh. Wow! Beautiful waves of the Pacific Ocean. Yun. Lai, yun ang gusto ko. Lai, iba-ibang levels. Kaya ayaw ko itong ipapatag na isang level lang.
Tama.
Oh.
Lovers.
Kiraman. Kuran.
American Cowboy Nurse.
Diri ka lai.
First of all, we'd like to thank the family of Edna and Chona for inviting us here, the most beautiful place on earth. The Tagtalisay Beach Park, soon to open by year end of 2016. This place is facing the Pacific Ocean. As you can see, huge waves. It's nice to surf, go fishing, and anything. With me is my family, my one and only lovely wife, beautiful wife.
But sure.
Describe it. She has it. Aris and my son, Eljan, who just graduated as a registered nurse last April 2. And Elma, my daughter, and Emily Josepa, my youngest daughter.
I'm sexy and I know it. I'm sexy and I know it. Yeah. When I'm at the mall. I'm sexy and I know it. I'm sexy and I know it. Yeah.